We're talking today about how to make your own castor oil pack. I am so excited about this. It is one of my favorite things to do for my own endometriosis symptoms. I was exposed to castor oil packs years and years ago. I used them throughout endometriosis pain, cramping, post-surgical recovery. I used it quite a bit through my own fertility journey, and I swear by them for helping my endometriosis pain. So castor oil, which you'll see right here, castor oil has been used for thousands of years, and it is known for its properties to help with lymphatic drainage, to help increase circulation. It can help with pain. And in this respect, we're going to be putting it on the skin, okay? So that's what it's going to be used for, to be put on the skin. There are also a lot of skin benefits actually for castor oil as well. So I'm going to show you and tell you how to make your own castor oil pack, and then also how to use it. And all of these tools will be linked below as well, okay? So what you will need is castor oil. Most people are recommended to use hexane-free castor oil if you can find that, but it's really easy to find online in some health food stores. So we're going to be using castor oil. You are also going to need a material that you're going to soak in the castor oil. So this is a really simple organic cotton flannel material. It's unbleached, so that's important that you'll want something unbleached. And you will want it to be a really good quality cotton material, okay? So I just got this online. I'm going to link it below as well, and that is for that. You will also want something like saran wrap or cling wrap. Now, I have seen some people recommend that you can use plastic trash bags cut up. Anything like that will be fine, and you'll see why. I have found that saran wrap works really well for me. And then that is to make the castor oil pack. To use it, you're going to want some kind of heating pad as well, and we'll get to that. So let me explain what this is that we're doing. I have used it myself, like I said, for my endometriosis pain quite a bit, and to increase circulation in my abdominal area. When I was going through infertility myself, it was recommended to me by my practitioners, so I used it to help with the circulation. The benefits that I saw were pain relief. I actually had more regular periods at the time when I was using the castor oil packs regularly. It helps with elimination. That is a big thing that people use castor oil packs for, and that they report that it helps a lot with regulation in your elimination, and also with constipation. That's a really big thing. And it was also really relaxing actually to me. So I love them for those reasons. Some people, you'll find if you do your own research, put them on different body parts for various things, but my experience is with that abdominal pain. And so that's what I'm going to be talking to you about. So what you'll do is you're going to take your castor oil, and there's two things you can do. You either put it in a bowl, and I would start with about a 1/4 cup, okay? You can put it in a bowl, and then what you'll do is you're going to cut a size of cloth that is going to work on the body part that you want it to go on. So for mine, it was a big rectangle that would just fit right on my entire abdominal area, okay? So you're going to make the size that's right for you. And you can put that in a bowl and just soak it until it's completely soaked. Or what I would do is I would kind of pour it on and use my hands so that I could wring some extra out. But either one is going to work. You just want to make sure that that cloth is soaked in the castor oil. Then I'll tell you how I made it. I would cut a piece of cling wrap or saran wrap that was bigger than the piece of cloth. So I would put about 2 to 3 inches on each direction as a border. And then I would put that cloth on the saran wrap. And that's where I would get kind of the extra castor oil out. If it's really dripping and soaking wet, I would kind of push some of the extra out back to the bowl. I have seen some people who use so much that they actually say they have to lay down on garbage bags when they do this. That doesn't work for me. I use it at night in bed. So I like it to be soaked, but not dripping everywhere. So you'll take your very wet soaked castor oil cloth, and you're going to place it on the saran wrap or the cling wrap, all right? And then what happens is that is basically your castor oil pack, believe it or not. Then to use it, you will lay down. So I would always lay down on my back and place it on my abdominal cavity, okay? Skin to skin, right? but the cling wrap part is going to be not against your skin. So the castor oil pack, the cloth part itself is against your skin, laying down. And then the saran wrap is kind of outside, right? And that's where then the heating pad would come in. So I'd use my heating pad and just place it right on top so the heating pad never got castor oil on it because it had that saran wrap layer against it. So we've got castor oil pack, the cloth, that's the cloth part with the castor oil in it, that is against your skin. And then right on top of that is the saran or cling wrap. And then right on top of that, if it feels good to you, you'll use a heating source like a heating pad. I would do it 15 to 20 minutes in the evening laying in bed. Then when I was done, I would take the heating pad off. I would take that pack and I would just fold it and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the refrigerator. And you can use it up to 30 times, all right? And it works great like that. And I would just take it out of the bag the next night, unfold it, the saran wrap layer was still there, and I would just do it all again. So I personally would do it 15 to 20 minutes. I'd put it away, and then I would just take a warm washcloth that was a little damp and just wipe off the excess castor oil. I'd put a little lotion on top, and it's amazing self-care, and it helped my pain quite a bit and helped my symptoms, okay? So that is what a castor oil pack is. That is what it is meant to do. Like I said, it was really helpful for me personally, and I've seen many practitioners out there recognize the importance of castor oil packs, but I also know it's not always easy to understand how to use it. I hope that helps. Like I said, for years and years and years, I have recommended this to my own clients. I have used it myself. I finally wanted to put it out there for you all. I think it can be an amazing tool that's not talked about enough. And I hope it helps. And if you do use it, I would love to hear from you and hear how it goes. I will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavallantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.